Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my little disclaimer, this is no financial advice, my own opinion and estimates. My estimates could be completely wrong. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Please be aware that I'm invested in Hive Blockchain, Argo Blockchain, Bitfarms, H8, K1, DMG Blockchain, and Digihost. Okay guys, let's jump right into it. So Bitcoin, another brutal shakeout here, but it looks like we get a bounce here from the 53,500. Yeah, would be something like it could be something like a double bottom here if if this bounce here is sustainable and we move higher. We will see this in the upcoming hours. But that was a brutal shakeout, to be honest. But we have seen this before. We have seen this here, and this happens in Bitcoin. Ethereum is holding better right now. I mean, also a big drop, but overall, there's still a big uptrend here for Ethereum, and it looks like it recovers faster than Bitcoin. So Ethereum right now very strong. Also some altcoins. Zcash, for example, is doing very well right now. 19%. I don't know exactly why, but it seems like every altcoin has its day. This is good news for Argo Blockchain because they're mining Zcash very profitable right now. Okay, so let's go to the mining stocks. We have the US stocks, Riot and Mara. They're really slaughtered right now. That's crazy. I think it has more to do with the NASDAQ. There's a lot of fear right now out there in the stock markets. About rising interest rates, about inflation, and whatever. A lot of things are going on there. So it's not fun to be invested right now in these stocks because they're going only down. Also Mara here, big downside right now. Let's go to the Canadians here. Hive Blockchain minus 5% today. But overall we're very stable here. You can say, the lows are here getting a little bit higher. We have H8. H8 is in green today. After a long time of downside here, they announced today that they applied for NASDAQ, which is good news. So yesterday we had this breakout here to the downside, and then we moved above this ascending triangle. We are now retesting a descending triangle. We are now retesting it, so it would be very important to stay above to get the bounce here if Bitcoin recovers. We have Bitfarms. Bitfarms, after this huge move to the upside, it's very stable here on this 650 Canadian dollar level. So it looks good here for Bitfarms. Digihost has some good news today, but still here in this descending triangle. Gonna be interesting when we break out here because it's coming very narrow here. DMG Blockchain, we had a little breakout here, but now we're retesting it. Maybe we're falling down a little bit back again. But yesterday we had a strong move here for DMG after the huge sell-off. And I think we need Bitcoin now to move up again. Okay, so K1 is doing good here, 2.4 US dollars. And we have DEFI Technologies, which is also doing good. But all the others are in red. So it's really not fun to be a crypto stock investor right now, that's for sure. Okay, let's go to the news. H8 announces plans to list on NASDAQ. So we all expected this, and since we filed our F10 in March, we have been continuing to actively move forward with the NASDAQ listing process. We are incredibly excited about what this means for H8 and are proud to pursue opportunity to join the ranks of global technology company listed on the US. So they're also going to NASDAQ Global Market, like Bitfarms, which is the better one, you can say, compared to the NASDAQ Capital Market. So this is the bigger one. So that sounds very nice. Would be interesting when they go there because Bitfarms already has the approval, H8 not, but I think it's just a matter of time. I don't think it will take long to get H8 there because from the financials, it's Bitfarms and H8, there's no big difference in the last few months, so they should have the same. They should be able to go there, I think. So hopefully they will report us when they soon when they get the approval. Okay, so we have Bitfarms becomes the first authorized MicroBT service center in Canada. So we know that Bitfarms has a lot of MicroBT watt miners in their facilities. Yeah, and I think they ordered something like overall like 65,000 MicroBTs. I think approximately 10, 15,000 or maybe 20,000. I don't know exactly now. But a lot of these miners are installed already in the facility. But for 2022, they will receive 48,000. That's the biggest part of these 65,000 here. Yeah, and the good thing is they can also repair MicroBTs from other companies, from other miners. So that could be an additional revenue stream. But I think first of all, they will repair their own MicroBT miners. So yeah, every day some news from Bitfarms. We really like this. Okay, then we have big news here from Digihost. Digihost announces deal with Northern Data, acquiring 10,000 Bitcoin miners and increasing hash rate by 925 petahash. So they want to have 1.145 exahash at the end of the year, which is big for Digihost. The delivery will be in August, between August and December. So in the second half of the year, the miners have been sourced from Northern Data. This is a German company, a hosting company. They build the biggest data centers in the world right now, or one of the biggest. And it's also a leading infrastructure supplier for BTC mining and other high performance computing infrastructure solutions. Yeah, I think that Northern Data ordered a lot of miners in the past, and yeah, now they're selling them maybe. And Digihost has a hosting agreement with Northern Data that Northern Data will bring these mobile containers, mobile data centers to the power plant, the gas-fired power plant in New York State, and yeah, will host these miners there. Will install them. So that I think that's a big contract here. Yeah, so these are 10,000 miners, 925 petahash. So yeah, it's 92 terahash per miner approximately. So I don't know exactly which model this is. Maybe it's a Watts miner or a Bitmain Antminer. Not 100% sure about this. But Digihost says, yeah, they have more energy, more space to host approximately 30,000 miners. So maybe they will get more miners. So I mean, that's a very big move here from Digihost. Yeah, okay. Right now there's this thing with in New York State. This proposal of the law that they want to this moratorium on Bitcoin mining. But when they get the miners, I mean, they could move to another location or host these miners somewhere else. So right now it's important to get miners. So I'm not very concerned about this, but yeah, we should keep an eye on this. And I think that's the reason why Digihost is not rising big, because of this one. I mean, when you buy 1 exahash of miners, yeah, the stock should rise a little bit more, but yeah, we also don't know how they will finance these miners. They were not talking about this, but yeah, there were some big private placements in the last few months, so I think a part of this is already there in cash. Yeah, gonna be very interesting with Digihost, where Digihost is going. I was waiting for an announcement, something like this here, but it will take a little bit of time to get there. Okay, so then we have the news from DeFi Technologies. They are up more than 20% today. Yeah, so value expiring record investor interest in both Ethereum 0 and BTC 0 on the Nordic growth market. ETH0 is the world's first fee-free exchange-traded product for direct exposure to Ethereum and has grown at an average pace of 3,700% month-over-month since launch March 30th, and BTC only 71%. Yeah, but it's growing very fast here. These products here from DeFi, and they get these management fees. And yeah, that's good news here for DeFi. So it's surpassing $100 million here in May. So that's a lot. Yeah, interesting company in my opinion, but they were also very down, or they're still very down here. I mean, I really like this company here I was analyzing this a month or two ago, but since then it was here, we dropped. Yeah, right now it's not about any fundamentals. It's more about yeah, the macro market, which is a little bit crazy right now. The stock market, a lot of fear. People are moving out of tech stocks, and so Bitcoin is going sideways right now, a little bit down. So all these things are not good for these stocks right now. Yeah, we will see how this all plays out. I mean, the smaller here, they look more or less like they bottomed here. I mean, if Bitcoin can hold the line above these 54,000, I mean, we have no panic selling here anymore in these stocks, in Bitfarms, Hut 8, Hive Blockchain, DMG, or Digihost. We already had this. So yeah, now it's important to get Bitcoin back above the 60,000. Yeah, and I really think we only need one big company which announces that they acquired some Bitcoin, like Tesla did or MicroStrategy did. I mean, MicroStrategy did it before the bull run when Bitcoin was at 10,000, and that was maybe a little bit also a trigger for the bull run. Then there was Tesla in January, February, which announced that they bought like 45,000 Bitcoin, and then we had a huge pump. And when we go to Coinbase Pro, we can see there Coinbase Pro is known for that institutions are using it. I think MicroStrategy was buying by Coinbase Pro, and I think Tesla too. And yeah, we can see that there's a big outflow here of these in these Coinbase Pro. Always these 12,000 Bitcoin batches here. So it looks like that big companies are buying Bitcoin. This is just speculation right now, but yeah, maybe in Q1 someone bought some big company. There's speculation right now about Facebook. There's about Oracle. We will see when one. But I think it's just a matter of time until one of these big companies announces it. We need only one, and then this will be the turnaround for Bitcoin, I think. Because since Tesla, there were no really big news for Bitcoin in terms of big corporation is buying it. A lot of corporations are adopting it, like PayPal, Visa, and so on. But yeah, we need someone to move in big, I think, and that would be the turnaround for Bitcoin. Okay, guys, so I think that's it for today. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.